Hi guys, um, today is Friday, January 30th, 2026. So I'm gonna talk about very interesting dynamic for gold yesterday and today as well. So we have the characteristic of a blow up top yesterday. So let me show you something. So yesterday on Thursday, January 29, 2026, we have a very sharp move from, around 5400 to 5600, around 5600. And then it's sideways a little bit in this 1 hour chart. And then during the New York session, we have a very sharp, very sharp and plunge, like gold move 8%, plunge 8% in a matter of an hour. So this is the very typical, it's classic signs of a blow up top here. And what does that tell me? That tells me that this is the this is the time that buying is getting more risk than selling. That's my opinion. So yesterday we have in the price action, it has the very strong downtrend, a plunge, and then it kind of like rallied back up around 300 points, and then this morning it comes down again. So that tells me that the selling is sustainable. It's not a fleeting moment yesterday. Together with the typical characteristic of a blow up top like this, it shows me that right now the 5600, the bias is the 5600 is it's a very strong all-time high that it is going to be difficult to break in the near future. So but in order to prove that we are in the bear market, let's look at the daily chart. So the daily chart here, we have gold yesterday going up and then immediately plunge back to here. And let's see how today is the last day of the week, also the last trading day of the month. And today is going to be a very interesting session. So let's see how today the price action is happening. But in order to confirm that we are in the daily downtrend, I want to see how the price is doing at around this level, 49.50 to 49.80, because if we zoom out further, it is around the last week high, also last week close around 49.80 and 49.50. So I want to see if the price is holding around this level, or the daily candles close decisively below this level. So that's what I'm looking for, but right now I'm not interested in buying again unless it is decisively, the gold is decisively breaking the all-time high at 5,600 again. So we have a turning point yesterday, and right now I'm gonna look at the opportunity to short gold, and to be sure I'm gonna look at the price action around this level, 49.50 to 49.80, to see if it can defend this level. So, but the odds of gold going down further is higher than the odds of gold going up. That's my bias. So my reasoning is that gold has been going up consistently for a number of days, specifically from October 28th, 2025 until today, which is 3 months. And 3 months going up constantly, gold needs some breathing room to achieve, a new all-time highs, or achieve, like people are talking about in the media, 6,000, 10,000, 15,000. It needs some breathing room to do that. So that's my opinion, and this is just for educational purposes. This is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next session.